A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong it is until it's in hot water. Do one thing every day that scares you. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. If someone betrays you once, it's their fault. If they betray you twice, it's your fault. Life is what you make it. Always has been, always will be. If life were predictable, it would cease to be life, and be without flavor. Life must be lived and curiosity kept alive. One must never, for whatever reason, turn his back on life. No matter how plain a woman may be, if truth and honesty are written across her face, she will be beautiful. You can often change your circumstances by changing your attitude. You must do the thing you think you cannot do. Never allow a person to tell you no who doesn't have the power to say yes. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift. That is why it is called the present. Character building begins in our infancy and continues until death. I am who I am today because of the choices I made yesterday. Life is like a parachute jump. You've got to get it right the first time. Before we can make friends with anyone else, we must first make friends with ourselves. People grow through experience if they meet life honestly and courageously. Nothing has ever been achieved by the person who says, "It can't be done." Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you'll be criticized anyway. Justice cannot be for one side alone, but must be for both. One's philosophy is not best expressed in words, it is expressed in the choices one makes. And the choices we make are ultimately our responsibility. When life is too easy for us, we must beware or we may not be ready to meet the blows which sooner or later come to everyone, rich or poor. I think that somehow we learn who we really are and then live with that decision. I'm so glad I never feel important. It does complicate life.